Hello, Albert Dinu here again. In section 8 of our lesson, we learned about hand post classification in Python, in Pictoblox using Python. In this lesson, we learned about the landmarks on the hand and how the computer is able to detect these landmarks and follow gestures on the hand. So we built a project called Gesture Fruit Hands, and in this project, it's a simple game that was written for this monkey to pick up these apples, but we'll be controlling the monkey with our hands. Now the code simply defines a fall, and it says the sprite, which is the apple, should keep falling in random. So we imported the random function. It should keep falling in random. Then the monkey here okay, so first of all we have to import the extension that will detect the hand, which is a hand detection or body detection extension, the postnet extension. Then we need to turn our video on and reduce the transparency to 70%, and we'll enable border box so that we know where exactly the hand is on the screen. And we'll be using a while loop, and first of all we'll ask our program to analyze the image on the screen. It should analyze the hand actually. Then if the hand is detected, you should set the x coordinate of the sprite to get the 1 here actually stands for the x coordinate, then the 8 stands for the top of the index finger, which is the actual landmark. So all the landmarks have marks, numbers attached to them. So the same thing here, but the 2 here stands for y coordinate. And we are saying if the sprite touches the apple, then we should play this sound. Yes, so let me run the whole code and let's see what happens. My code is taking some time to run. Okay, so now you can see my code is running, just that my apple is falling quite too slow. So now when I position my hand, you can see the green border box there. Okay, so you can see the monkey is now following my hand. The PC is running quite slow, so yeah, you can see the monkey is now being controlled by wherever my hand goes. So this is a very interesting project, the hand post project, and I'm grateful. I'm really learning.